Good afternoon, and thank you all for attending tonight's dinner and helping support one of the oldest, most important women's organizations in New York City. I wish I could be there in person to celebrate the YWCA with you all. I have the great pleasure today to honor someone who I admire very much and who embodies the characteristics of Grace Hoadley Dodge, a visionary woman for whom this award is named. First, who was Grace Hoadley Dodge? Born in 1856 into a prominent New York family, Grace Dodge could have lived a comfortable life focusing on her family and friends. Opportunities for women in business at that time were almost non-existent, so instead she dedicated her life to helping improve the lives of those less fortunate, specifically new young immigrant women and their families. She knew that basic social services and education were the keys to a better life. Her work resulted in the founding of the YWCA and, among other organizations, Teachers College, the oldest and largest graduate school of education in America. Our honoree today, Elsie McCabe Thompson, shares Grace's passions for philanthropy and activism and improving the lives of the less fortunate. I first met Elsie many years ago when we served together on the board of a New York-based nonprofit organization. Elsie is currently the president and CEO of the Mission Society of New York City, established in 1812. It is one of our country's oldest anti-poverty organizations focused on ending multi-generational poverty through education. Prior to joining the Mission Society and its board, Elsie had been president of the Museum for African American Art for over 15 years, where she transformed the museum by leading the construction of a new building, as well as dramatically expanding its programmatic reach. Elsie was an inaugural recipient of the Ford Foundation's Visionaries Award for pioneering transformative social change. Elsie also served as Chief of Staff to New York City Mayor David Dinkins, where she oversaw a diverse portfolio of more than a dozen city agencies. Previously, in the private sector, she was a senior litigator with Sherman and Sterling. Elsie argued and won dozens of state and federal litigation cases, yet she found time to start a mentoring and training program for more than 20,000 minority law students. Through her many roles, Elsie has proven herself a strong leader who is clearly passionate about helping New Yorkers and creating a better life for thousands of families. It gives me great pleasure to present the Grace Hoadley Dodge Community Service Award to Elsie McCabe Thompson.
Hello, and thank you for honoring me with the Grace Dodge Community Service Award, and to the YWCA for including me in this wonderful event. Thank you always, Bill. I am so proud to be part of this celebration with each of your award winners and honorees. It is a privilege to be recognized alongside all of the women leaders who are working to make our city a more equitable and just place. I am very grateful to the Cleveland H. Dodge Foundation for their nomination and for this incredible partnership with my organization, the Mission Society of New York City. One of our longstanding abiding beliefs is in the value of self-esteem and its importance. Self-esteem is not something a child is born with. It is something that children acquire over time by seeing themselves through the eyes of adults, either adults who see them as worthy and capable or ones who only understand what they can and cannot do. Too many times, the Mission Society and our caring staff are among the only adults in a young person's life who see our children as both worthy and eminently capable. Through our many public school programs, the Mission Society provides critical STEM and arts education, workforce development, college preparation, and high school persistence programs. I am so passionate about our work and bringing these vital educational resources to our students and their families. This is why this award highlighting the work done in service to our city and our community is especially meaningful to me and to the entire Mission Society community. Thank you again for acknowledging and supporting our efforts. I look forward to continuing this invaluable work with each and every one of you. Thank you.